Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Audi A1 Sport. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 53 miles per gallon. Road tax is £150 a year and the car's covered just over 63,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Brilliant Black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As you have a look inside, you've got your sports seats there, which are really supportive and with the lighter grey trim going through the centre. Also on the Sport you have the leather steering wheel and that's really nice to hold. A few other features like I mentioned, you've got your CD player there in the centre with the air conditioning controls below, and this car also has the multifunction steering wheel controls there as well. And then on the driver's door card just down there you've got your electric mirror switch and also your two front window controls. And as we open the tailgate on the A1, you have your split folding rear seats there, and also your parcel shelf, and you have the adjustable floor there, so it's at its highest point at the moment, with your tyre inflator below, as well as your first aid kit. That's good to see. But this floor is also adjustable, so you can lower it completely to give you a few extra inches of volume. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance for just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.